Hi guys, so ayan, because it's Mother's Day, so magpapaano tayo, papamper ako be. It's my day today. So, deserve ko ito, charot. So, punta tayo sa aking friendship na si Cassie. And, bumili kasi ako kanina ng mga gift for Arian kasi birthday ni Arian. And, yung bunso ko, tapos bibili ako ng cake later.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand.
Diba? Ang fresh. Nagpa-hydrofacial ako and ang bongga ng kanyang kinalabasan. Kailangan din natin mga mommies yan, be. I love it. Ito talaga yung favorite ko, guys, na ginagawa. Yung favorite ko talagang service nila, guys, ito talaga yung hydrofacial. Mother's Day treat ko yan sa aking self.